Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 5 and let me show you how to remove Google account on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon, find and select settings. Let's here find and choose the cloud and accounts. Tap on accounts, let's choose your Google account. And here let's choose the more key. In that corner, let's choose remove account. So removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the device. If you would like to accomplish that, let's choose remove account. And that's it, you just remove the Google account. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.